How to manage events reminder on Microsoft Outlook. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Microsoft Outlook. This is the home page. Now go to the top right here, click on settings. Now scroll down here, click on view all Outlook settings. As you can see, now go right here and click on calendar here, the third option, and now click on the events and invitations option, and right here you will find default reminder. You can now manage it from here. So easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end.